Okay friends, you can see here there is a box that is the magnifying lens. We called like a zoom option on your iPad. So you can simply turn off this feature from settings. Okay, and you can use three fingers to move screen like this. It's a feature, and that's guys. Okay, and you can see here you can simply move the box or move the screen inside the box. So open your settings, select accessibility, then just move this box, then select zoom option, and you can simply turn off the zoom settings from here. Okay, that box is gone. So it is very useful for elder people or who are suffering from eye vision problems. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.